Welcome back everyone to another kinda lost video. This video is going to take place in the same exact spot that we last left off in, just north of Tucson. We ended up staying in this desert oasis 6 days longer than we had planned, but it was just too nice to leave within a couple of days. So we filmed some clips throughout the week, and here it is. What?
We've come into a landmine.
How are you gonna get through it? I would go around this way. Ooh, be careful. It's just a lovely day over here in the desert. Did it go through?
I slightly felt something.
That's why I wear these. Which path would you choose? This one or this one? How's it going?
I can't get it.
Oh no, should I come help you? Damon got a haircut.
Don't tell me that's not working.
It actually is, and I'm shocked. Tuna! Hey! Hey, get out! I've been waking up really early here when it's still dark. The moon is full right now, so it's been so light out, and it's just so beautiful out here. I don't think I'll ever get over it. And it's like the most peaceful time of the day to just wake up when it's still dark and like everything's still quiet, and then like the first few birds start to chirp. Ooh, there's nothing like it. Damon's doing his good deed for the day. This road is so narrow, and all the rigs that keep coming through are getting scratched by these, and they have really big thorns on the end. It was literally just a sprinkle, and we all panicked and put everything away. It's storm out here, Damon.
Yeehaw!
Here's the sunset view right now out of our dirty, crusty window. I said I wanted to go for a walk, and Damon said, I'm busy. Are you busy?
I'm always busy.
Look at how cool Damon is. What are you creating right now? Let's zoom out. Oh, he made a cute little background for my phone. Isn't that so cute? Update on the sunset. It got better, but I'm not sure. Why did I sound so apprehensive? It got better, but I'm not sure if it's showing up on camera. Also, you can see our lights in the reflection.
Aww.
Damon.
What? That was genuine.
Was it?
No.
Just making some lunch. What's really gross are just cucumbers. I cut up an entire cucumber. You may be thinking to yourself, wow, Arden, it's such a beautiful day where you are. And while I would agree, you should see this. I'm a bit scared. There definitely wasn't rain in the forecast, but the wind is blowing this way. So the clouds are hopefully going that way, because I know that direction is Tucson and they were supposed to get rain, so hopefully it's just going over there. If not, oh well. What are you doing?
Oh, shit. Oh, Tuna.
Oh no. Here you go. and Princess Tuna. Hey, Princess, you want to eat on our bed? Damon, I didn't prepare a bowl for you. This is our collection of rocks. Rocks. We just got this one. We just took a little walk. Look at that. Whoa. This one I found in the desert in Camp Verde, and it looks like a shell. Like a seashell. How cool is that?
Shells aren't there?
Cool. This one's cool. They're all cool. How long am I going to show this rock collection for? Look at those clouds. Wow. Those are cool. Last sunset in this spot, and I'm really sad about it, but I know we'll be back for sure. Dinner is served. This has broccoli, bell pepper, carrot, onion, and pinto beans. And then this is cabbage slaw. It's literally just cabbage, mayo, salt, pepper, and lemon. We usually put onion in it, but I used all of it for this. And then Damon's homemade tortillas. Do we call these tortillas?
Authentic.
Are we calling these tortillas?
Or are they more
Flatbread?
Corn bread?
Whatever they are.
Flat corn.
Flat corn.
Fried corn. I don't know.
They're so good though. And a little dollop of sour cream. But this, how is it?
It's good. I just haven't got to try the tortilla or anything because I'm waiting for you.
Oh, okay.
It's the last Christmas
The last Christmas biscuit on January 20th.
2022.
These lasted quite a while.
Look at the light good. It's nice and chewy.
Is this going to be their breakfast? Okay.
For the month.
There goes Bean. Bean, that blanket's wet. You gonna eat it? I can't figure it out. Are you glitching out?
It's good for it to be.
Aww. Those ears. They're gonna eat you. Oh no. They're gonna eat us. You're ruining it, Bean. What? Oh. Hello. and welcome. Yeah. Oh, it's not cold. It's just
freezing.
humid. But it did get to like 36 last night. We're in Tucson. We're in a really crowded BLM land area that's practically a parking lot. I'm cooking some sunny side up eggs with the lid on. Tuna is being a model.
Bean's crying for breakfast.
Bean's crying for breakfast. Damon's crying for his breakfast.
Yeah, hurry up.
And we're just making breakfast inside.
This is not ridiculous.
You don't think?
No, not at all.
Oh my goodness.
I think they're way more comfy than I am.
So right now we're on this little patch of BLM land just 15 minutes out from downtown Tucson. So since it's so close to town, it is really packed like sardines in here. It's on a really busy road and we probably won't be doing any filming out here, especially because we're just going to be door dashing all weekend anyways. Here is the amazing logo that Damon created for our Kinda Lost channel. I think it's so cool. I hope you do too. Hope you enjoyed this video and we will see you in the next one.